This is NaceCare's walk-behind carpet extractor, model AV12QX, also available in an 18-gallon version, model AV18SX. Both the solution recovery tanks are 12-gallon. To access the solution tank, to fill it up, remove this cap at the front end of the machine, get your hose and fill up the tank. Inside the tank, there's a filter that periodically you want to check and make sure it's free of debris. To drain the recovery tank, first take the lid off the tank, and it has a drain hose at the back of the machine. Pull it out of the hose holder, hold it up in the air, undo the cap, and then lower it down and drain it out. There are two ways to drain the solution tank. The first one is on the front right side of the machine underneath. There's a valve to drain it out over a drain. The second way to drain the solution tank is to use the 6-foot hose that comes with the machine, insert it into the vacuum intake at the back of the machine, get the hose and put it into the solution tank, turn on the vacuum motor, suck it out of the solution tank into the recovery tank, and cleans the recovery tank in the process. The recovery tank has a transparent dome so you can monitor the activity of the water being pulled up off the floor. Just to show you inside the 12-gallon tank, it's got a float assembly that shuts off the airflow when the tank is full, and the maintenance item in here, it's got a little filter to catch the lint. You want to make sure this is maintained properly. This unit has a 20-inch scrub brush and a series of 5 spray jets to get maximum effect of the 130 psi pump. To access the spray bar, you can remove it. And it also has an adjustable valve that you can adjust the spray volume coming out of the machine. The function knobs at the back end of the machine, this is to raise and lower the brush to set the brush for the correct pressure for the carpet surface you're on. This adjusts the down pressure on the vacuum tool, and this raises and lowers the vacuum tool. The vacuum tool also pivots from side to side to ensure proper pickup. To raise and lower the brush, you pull out this knob on the left side of the rear of the machine, and you'll see that post there, and there's a series of holes in there to stop it at certain heights. To set the brush at the correct height for cleaning the carpet you're working on, first start with the brush in the upright position, turn on the brush switch, slowly lower the brush till you hear it making contact with the carpet, and lock it in that position. On the control panel there are 3 switches. The one on the left operates the pump, pumping out of the clean water tank. It's a 3-position switch. In the center it's off. If you push it towards the operator, the pump is activated by pushing down on this lever. That is for doing a lot of stops and starts. Rather than turning the switch on and off, you take your hand off the switch, the pump automatically starts. Or if you're doing large areas, if you push the switch forward, that activates the pump and it runs continuously. Second switch is the vacuum switch, on and off. The third switch is the brush switch, on and off. To operate the Smart Kit, there's a valve on the box. On the right side it says pre-spray, that activates the pre-spray system. Then there are cleaning modes. The 2-droplet is the low moisture mode. If the carpet is cleaned fairly often, this improves the drying time greatly. If you have a very soiled carpet, put it over to the 4-droplet mode. The Smart Kit includes a 50-foot high pressure hose and a fully adjustable spray gun. The other optional accessories we have to run with the AV12QX are a 20-foot vacuum solution hose, a stand-up drag wand, a hand tool, we have them in aluminum and plastic, and a hard floor squeegee that converts the machine to be used on hard floor surfaces.